everyone. We're going to evaluate the limit if it exists. So, of course, if you plug in -1 here, you'll get 0. So we're going to just rearrange this equation so we can find the limit. And the first thing we notice is that if I get the common denominator for this, the common denominator is 4x. So I'm going to write this as the limit as x approaches -4, and my common denominator is 4x. And so to get a 4x here, I need 4x on both. So if I put an x here, I have to have an x here. If I put a 4 here, I have to have a 4 here. So that's 4 times 1. So basically your numerator is going to be x, let's see, x plus 4. Basically you're just kind of crossing here. Alright, so that's your common denominator for that. Then we have your 4 plus x. Now another little tidbit, and sorry, but if you have something like a over b divided by c, that's the same thing as saying a divided by b divided by c. We can write that as c over 1. So it's the same as a divided by b times 1 over c. So you just keep, change, and flip. So basically this is a divided by bc. So basically I can just move that up there. So I can move this c up here. So I can rewrite this as the limit as x approaches -4 of x plus 4, and then 4x times 4 plus x. Alright, so that was just a little algebra knowledge there. Alright, so anytime you see that, something like that, you can always move that up like that. Now, what you notice is these two are the same. Again, our domain here is x cannot be 0 and x cannot be -4. So, that's why we couldn't find the limit here. And when I cross these two out, I'm going to have a different domain. So you got to be careful when you write your limit. Make sure you write your limit, because you'll get the same limit, you just have different domains. Alright, so when you do that, you see now the domain is just x cannot be 0. These are different when you graph them, because this one's going to have 2 holes in it, this one's only going to have 1, but you can still find the limit. So now we just plug in -4 here. You get 1 divided by 4 times -4. That's equal to 1 divided by -16. And I'll just put that negative out in the middle like that. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.